disappearing object editing, text revealing techniques, object freezing techniques, adding text behind man, and many such interesting things we are going to learn in today's video. Actually, these all edits are very simple, and I will teach you to make these edits in just a minute. Video editing is a process where you can catch the viewer's attention. Firstly, thanks to all my viewers who made my previous video go viral, and if you haven't watched that tutorial, then after finishing this tutorial you can visit that. So without wasting our time, let's jump into today's new editing technique. Disappearing object editing. For editing this type, simply I have imported a video in the Capcut application. Now I will import a photo of the last moment where I want to make him disappear. See carefully, the second one is the photo, and the first clip is the video. Now select the second clip and go to the style option. After that, select the AI photo option and select this option. It takes some 15 to 20 seconds to apply the effect, and after applying the effects, the output is like this. Here we will add some transition to make it more attractive. Now finally it looks like this. Object freezing techniques. This editing is very simple. Here I have imported a video. Now simply select the clip and duplicate it. Now select the first clip and shift it to overlay. Now we have two of the same videos, one on the main track and another on overlay. Now select the overlay video. Go to remove the background option and select auto removal. Now decide the timings where you want to freeze the object. Now I want to freeze this man here, so I will split this video here. Now select the first part and select the freeze option. Now you can see that a third overlay is formed. Now select this clip and delete it. Now I will bring the new clip to this position. Now play the video. As you can see, there is some gap in between these clips. So select this first clip and drag it. Okay, now our final output looks like this. Text revealing technique. Now we learn the text revealing technique with the same clip. For this we need help with the Pixel Lab application. We will first add the text. Write your desired text here. Let's write editing. Now increase the font size and select your desired font style. Now make some small adjustments like color and size as required. Now go to the 3D rotate option and rotate the y-axis as required. I will rotate it to -45 degrees. Click on transparent. Now click on the top right corner and click the export button, and remember, while exporting you need to select the PNG option and select the dimensions to ultra, and now click on the save option. Okay, now our text is ready. Now we will come back to Capcut. Now I have imported the same video. Now click on the overlay and import the text which was downloaded from the Pixel Lab application. After importing, I will adjust its duration. So now as you can see that the man is coming out here, so we will split the overlay here and delete the first clip. Now select the second clip and adjust the text. After adjusting text, go to the mask option and select horizontal. Now rotate this line up to 90 degrees. You can do this by selecting the line directly. Now move the line. Now click on this and drag it, and now add a keyframe here. Now as the man moves forward, we want the text to come outside. Observe carefully, as the man moves forward you need to just drag the line behind him. And don't worry about the keyframes here, it will be added automatically as you move the line. I will finish this work fastly. Now here is our final output. Okay, now I have thought you do object freezing technique. So now I will apply it here to make it more attractive. As explained earlier, I am doing the same procedure here. So now this looks more attractive. Adding text behind the objects. Many of us don't know this edit. It is as simple as you see it. Let's make this. I have imported a clip. Now I need to add the text behind this man. So now I will click on the overlay and import the text image. Remember that you need to import the image of the text. If you write the text in Capcut itself, then this trick will not work. So I have imported our previous image here. Now I want this text to go behind this man. For this I will select the main clip and make its duplicate. Now select the first clip and select the overlay option. Now select the remove background option and then select the auto removal option. And that's it, our job is done. This type of editing can be done very easily, and it also looks very attractive for your faceless videos, so let's learn to do it. The material required for these edits are a talking head, a pin paper PNG, and a number counting green screen. I have imported a black background. Now I am going to add my talking head green screen, and if you don't know how to do this talking head, then watch my previous video. I have also thought it. Now after importing the talking head, I need to remove this green screen. For this, go to remove background option and select the chroma key option. Now bring this pointer above the green screen and now increase the intensity. Now adjust the talking head as required. Now I will import the pin paper PNG, which I have already downloaded. I will adjust their duration now. I will import the number counting green screen and I will remove this green screen. Now I will fix it here. I will cut out the remaining parts. Similarly, I will duplicate this and I will place it here. Now I will export this video. After that, open the new project in Capcut and now import the video which you have downloaded just now. After importing, select this part, add a keyframe at the starting. Now again add new keyframe here and zoom the video. Now just follow the process with me. After adding all the keyframes, now I will play the video. For more attractive zooming effects, bring this line between the keyframes and select the graph option and select the ease out 3 option. So now our final output looks like this. Okay, that's it for today. Hope you have got to learn some new editing technique in this video. For more such interesting videos, subscribe to the channel, and viewers, don't forget to watch the previous videos where you will find more such editing techniques. Until then, keep visiting the channel. I will meet you in the next video with another great content.